Have you ever had the eerie feeling that a painting was watching you? That's no accident. For centuries, artists have harnessed the power of gaze and eye contact to capture attention and hold it. Mastering Composition, Episode 7, Eye Contact and Gaze, When the Eyes Speak. In everyday life, eye contact is powerful. It can feel intimate, emotional, even confrontational. In art, it works the same way. A direct gaze can lock you in. It demands your attention. An averted gaze, on the other hand, whispers something more subtle: mystery, reflection, or even vulnerability. Let's explore how some iconic artists have used gaze to speak without words. Mona Lisa, famously ambiguous. Is she meeting your eyes or not? What emotions do you feel when you look into the eyes of Rembrandt? Are they inviting you in or confronting something within themselves? In Van Gogh's self-portrait, does his gaze reveal vulnerability, resilience, or something else entirely? What do you think he's trying to communicate without words? When you meet Frida Kahlo's gaze, do you feel challenged, seen, or unsettled? Why? What might Frida's direct, unflinching stare be saying about power, pain, or identity? Who is the young lady looking at? And what does that tell us about the story unfolding beyond the frame? Are we meant to be in on the secret or kept at a distance? When a figure looks away, something shifts. We're not just observers, we become investigators. What are they thinking? Who are they watching? Why won't they meet our gaze? What do their expressions and fixed gazes tell us about their relationship to each other, to their environment, or to us as viewers? Are they guarding something or revealing it? In art, as in life, the eyes say more than words ever could. They invite us in or keep us at arm's length. And once you start noticing gaze, you'll see it everywhere. Next time, we close the series with something powerful: unity and rhythm, how artists make every brushstroke feel like it belongs. If you're enjoying this creative deep dive, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss what's next.